Sri Lanka's travel is very safe now. It just forget about the past. I think it's now is a very good safe place to go to. It's not crowded. It's depends on what places you go. But it's, overall, it's like Sri Lanka is a very safe place to visit. Sri Lanka, according to me, is like beautiful city. They also have like beautiful scenic, like you can see beach, mountain, and then the culture there is very interesting. Yeah, Sri Lanka is worth visiting because it's like quite interesting. And the culture you can see, and then also about a lot of beaches and then mountain you can see. That's pretty interesting place to visit. Top attractive place to see in Sri Lanka, I think, is Negombo, and then because it's Negombo, I think it's like a lot of Dutch building, which is very interesting, and then the beach area is quite interesting too. So I think that's the places you should visit in Sri Lanka.
What is famous of Sri Lanka?
Famous of Sri Lanka, they have like quite good tea. They call Ceylon tea, and then the food also is quite good. It's kotu. Kotu, I think, is very good food. I really enjoy it there.
What's the Sri Lanka best known for?
The best known of Sri Lanka, I think, is the food, and then also the tea is quite famous. The Ceylon tea is very good because they grow their own tea over there. And then also, I think it's elephant is quite famous too there because it's like a lot of attraction about elephants there. Yeah, I see monkey. It's quite a lot of monkey in there. So it depends which area you're visiting. I recommend you maybe like in a mountain area. It's quite good. You can see like a monkey and then a lot of animal there. Yeah, Sri Lanka have quite a few good beaches. Matara is one of them, and then Unapaduna I think is one of the good beaches to visit in Sri Lanka. The most popular food in Sri Lanka, I think, is kotu. They have many different kind of kotu, vegetarian, even meat kotu or seafood. There's a lot of kotu there, which is very interesting. Hoppers, I think, is one of the unique food from Sri Lanka also, which is like don't normally serve it at breakfast, which is very interesting. And then also curry. I think they have quite some interesting curry there, which is different than India and Bangladesh, I think. So try it. Yeah, Sri Lanka fresh food is very interesting. There's quite a lot of fruit that I really like it, which is the sweet apple, like I said. I think it's like green fruits. It's very interesting. And then mangosteen, rambutan, I think this is one of them too, very quite interesting.
You try mango?
Yes, mango there is very tasty. You should try the mango too, I think, if you like to go like for mango. And then tropical fruit in Sri Lanka is very good, very tasty.
Sri Lanka travel safe or no nowadays?
Sri Lanka's travel is very safe now. It just forget about the past. I think it's now is a very good safe place to go to. It's not crowded. It depends on what places you go. But it's, overall, it's like Sri Lanka is a very safe place to visit.
You have any memories from Sri Lanka?
Memory of Sri Lanka is, I think it's like the people there is very nice. I like the people there. They're very helpful for while I'm traveling there. They're very helpful. And then also the view in Sri Lanka is quite interesting because I'm visiting the Kandolhu. It's quite interesting city. That's all I say.
Finally, what do you have to say about Sri Lanka?
My final words for Sri Lanka, I think it's like Sri Lanka is very good places to visit. I really recommend to go to Sri Lanka to see, and then also to try the food there. It's very interesting food.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.